President Donald Trump is turning up the heat on America's allies, NATO, the EU, and the G7, with a bold ultimatum: stop buying Russian oil, or the US won't move on tougher sanctions against Moscow. In a fiery letter, Trump blasted Europe's energy dependence, calling NATO's commitment to winning the war in Ukraine far less than 100% and shocking. He declared he's ready to impose major sanctions on Russia, but only if all NATO nations join in and stop buying oil from Russia. And Trump is not stopping there. He wants NATO and the G7 to slap tariffs of 50 to 100% on Chinese goods, arguing that Beijing holds a strong control, even grip over Russia, and that punishing tariffs are the only way to break it. India is also in Trump's crosshairs. Last month, he doubled tariffs on Indian imports to 50%, punishing New Delhi for continuing to purchase Russian energy. But China is rejecting Trump's call outright. Foreign Minister Wang Yi hit back, saying, and I quote, "Wars cannot solve problems and sanctions only make matters worse. China does not participate in or plan wars. What China does is to encourage peace talks and promote political settlement through dialogue," unquote. Trump's allies in Congress are pushing him to act. Europe is stalling over fears of a trade war, and China is digging in on diplomacy. So the question is, will NATO, the EU, and the G7 risk an economic showdown with India and China to corner Putin? Or will Trump's call fall flat?